Now you understand a puppy's jaw and teeth formation and the anatomy of their mouths, bite inhibition in young and old dogs and triggers behind biting. It is time to train your puppy to stop biting. Remember the fast 3 techniques earlier: withdraw attention, positive reinforcement, and provide alternatives? How do you actually do that? Withdrawing attention is the easiest. As soon as there is mouth contact to skin, withdraw attention. Provide alternatives when necessary, such as chew toys or stuffed animals to carry. It is possible to withdraw attention in the form of timeout. This should only be used with healthy and stable adult dogs, as using timeout with anxious dogs and puppies can fuel separation anxiety. Timeout can be achieved by moving the dog to another room in the house, separated by baby gates or barriers. Attention is withdrawn, and with the removal of stimulus, the dog can calm down. Positive reinforcement relies upon praise and encouragement. When teaching bite inhibition in dogs, it is important to avoid the use of punishment. For example, holding mouths closed, smacking or tapping them on the nose, being yanked away with a leash, shock collars. More ways to teach your puppy to stop biting. Quick tip to train the stop command. Have your dog walk up to you, then throw treats towards him and behind him. As he stops to eat the treats, shout "stop." He will associate the stopping with the command. Repeat this exercise until he will stop on command before you have even thrown a treat. You can then use this command during play when you feel a bite or nip on your skin. How do I stop a dog from biting? We've established that the hope would be to teach bite inhibition from an early stage. This helps to avoid any difficulties as a dog gets older. But what do we do when a fully grown dog is biting? Firstly, if a dog is aggressively biting and causing harm, it is recommended to seek professional advice from a qualified behaviorist or trainer. What we are discussing here is playful nipping behavior and mouthing behavior in grown dogs. Remember, certain herding breeds such as Border Collies and Australian cattle dogs will be more likely to nip at people's feet and legs, as this is historically what they would do to the animals they were herding. Work on your dog's attention and focus through positive reinforcement techniques. Work on command training, including sit, stay, leave, off, and stop. Ensure your dog is adequately exercised and stimulated. Herding dogs get very bored. Reinforce the behavior you want to see and distract from the behavior you don't. Withdraw attention when the nipping starts. Stop moving. Difference between mouthing, biting and nipping. We've established that puppy biting, mouthing and nipping is a completely normal behavior. It is the first step in learning to be independent through the withdrawal of nursing mothers, and also the first step in learning social etiquette when they bite their siblings just a little too hard. Through these behaviors, puppies learn bite inhibition, which is a vital skill as they get older. They learn that other dogs and humans are fragile. As owners, we need to continue to teach this bite inhibition even into adulthood if necessary, for the safety of other dogs and humans. What is puppy nipping? Nipping is typically light nibbling between puppies during play and exploration. It is usually accompanied by an excited and happy puppy. What is mouthing? Mouthing normally occurs during teething and can easily be spotted as your puppy will be gnawing. What is biting? Biting is normally displayed by aggressive or territorial dogs who have not learned bite inhibition. Summary: after reading this guide, you should know exactly how to stop your puppy from biting. Remember, withdraw attention, positive reinforcement, and provide alternatives whenever you feel their teeth on your skin. You can achieve this by not playing with hands, stopping play immediately once bitten, preventing the use of loud noise, redirecting their attention, i.e. give them a toy, and time out. As always, if you are concerned about your dog's behavior, seek advice from a qualified behaviorist or trainer.